In this video, I am going to explain scroll text from left to right and right to left with functions. Initially, we have to make some connections between LCD, this one is LCD, and Arduino board. This one is UNO board. We have to make here this 5 volts is connected to here breadboard. Creation of 5 volts line. Ground of that UNO board is connected to breadboard. Create ground line. And 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 are the digital pins of the UNO board connected to 13 pin is particularly meant for register select. 12th pin is meant for particularly enable one. The remaining 11, 9, 11, 10, 9, 8 digital pins are meant for D4, D5, D6 and D7. This one is LED anode is connected to 5 volts through resistance 220 ohms. This is the 220 ohms resistance. LED cathode is connected to ground. LED cathode is connected to ground. Next, this is the wiper terminal is connected to wiper terminal. The potentiometer is connected to contrast pin of that LCD. Terminal 1 is connected to 5 volts. Terminal 2 is connected to ground. These are the initially some connections are made between the LCD screen and the UNO board. Now coming to some code. This is the code. This is the library. Include /include less than liquid crystal dot h3 greater than. Include all functions for related to LCD. This one is a liquid crystal LCD 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. These are the pins which are particularly digital pins of the UNO board connected to register select and enable pin D4, D5, D6 and D7. Pins of the LCD. Wide setup. The LCD begin 16,2 means 16 columns and 2 rows. Serial dot begin 9600 means the speed of the operation between the computer and the UNO board is 9600. And also LCD. LCD dot clear the screen. Delay is some 200 milliseconds. LCD dot print department of ECE. This LCD dot print department of ECE mentioned in the wide setup because this is the static declaration. Whenever I start simulation, initially on the LCD screen, department of DE in the capital letters, we use capital letters. Department of ECE, DEPT. Department of ECE is appeared on the screen initially because this LCD dot print department of ECE is declared in the setup void setup, that is static one. Now scroll this department of ECE text from left to right and right to left with some functions. In the void loop again delay 1000 milliseconds. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than 25, I plus plus. Here department of ECE count the total number of characters in the department of ECE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Including gaps plus 16. That is equal to 27. Instead of 25, we use 27 also. LCD dot scroll display text display right means the department of ECE scrolls towards right. Delay 250 milliseconds. Again, for integer I is equal to 25, I greater than 0. I minus minus. LCD dot scroll display left. This one is left. Delay 250 milliseconds. Delay 250 milliseconds. And finally, that loop is continuous. Display department of EC, scroll towards right and scroll towards left. See this action. Start simulation. Start simulation. This is the simulation department of ECE. By using functions, scroll the text from left to right and right to left. Left to right and right to left. This is the code. In that code, LCD dot scroll display right function is used here. That department of IC scrolls towards the right. Here LCD dot scroll display left. The department of ECE scrolls towards the left by using these two functions in the while loop. This is the action department of ECE. Towards right and towards left, department of ECE towards left, and starting again scroll towards right. Scroll towards right. Scroll text from left to right and right to left with functions. Functions are two functions. These are the two functions. LCD dot scroll display right function, LCD dot scroll display left function. These are the static declaration is used in the void setup. LCD dot print is department of EC means print department of EC. With this here, see the action again once again. This one is code. Stop simulation. Again start simulation. Print department of EC. First scroll towards right. 27 spaces, 25 spaces, 16 spaces are visible. The remaining spaces are not visible. Department of EC scroll towards left. Again department of EC like that. With this simulation part is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.